Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. They're coming right at you. This is the U.S. Band's largest drum line with the largest cadence. Here they come. Let them hear it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back to the field our drum majors of tonight's competing units. We begin with Bernards High School, Union High School, Colonia High School, Morristown High School, Brantford High School, Ridge High School, South Plainfield High School, North Plainfield High School, Watchung Hills Regional High School, Point Pleasant Borough High School, New Providence High School, Fairlawn High School, Immaculata High School, Passaic High School, Bridgewater Raritan High School, and of course your host, Somerville High School. Well, how about that, ladies and gentlemen? That is a way to bring on the drum majors for the award ceremony. Once again, a nice hand for the largest drum line in U.S. Band's history.